Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, we are going to understand that what is this PuTTY terminal and how we access the Linux using PuTTY. So let's first understand that what is this PuTTY terminal. So PuTTY terminal is a free and popular software tool which is used to remotely connect to another computer or server over our network. That means if you want to connect to other computers over a network, then we make the use of this PuTTY through the terminal that it provides, right? More specifically, PuTTY is a terminal emulator that let you control another system using text-based commands. For more understanding, think of it in this way that you are sitting at your home with your computer, right? That is your window PC. And somewhere else there is another computer, for example, a company server that is running Ubuntu or Linux. Then PuTTY let you open a black command window, that is your terminal, on your PC and control that other computer by just typing the commands, right? So by this, you can remotely control another computer or server over a network with the help of the PuTTY terminal, right? So this is what your PuTTY is. Now let's understand that how we use it. So let's understand that how we can install the PuTTY terminal. Simply just come to your browser and search for PuTTY terminal. Press enter and you will find the download link on the top, right? Simply just go on it, and on the top you will find the download PuTTY option, right? Simply click on the download PuTTY button. You will land to another page, right? Here it is, on the bottom you will see the MSI, which is a Windows installer for different architecture which is present here. Just click on the link next to the your particular system architecture and the download process will start. A very small file of the 3.7 MB, right? So simply just download it. So it is now present in my downloads. So what you need to do is just double click on it, then just simply just click on the next. You can select the file destination also, then next, install, give the permission, and then simply just click on this finish button. Okay, it is done now. Now simply go to the Windows and search for the PuTTY. You can find the app here. Simply click on it. After clicking, you can see the host name is present here, right? This is a PuTTY configuration window, and here in the host name we mention the IP address of our Linux server, right? Either it is CentOS or it is Ubuntu. We mention the IP address of that, and through that we get connected to the uh, terminal, right? So this is the complete process of understanding that what is PuTTY terminal, how we download it, how we install it. And let's understand that how we can access the Linux, CentOS and Ubuntu using the PuTTY, right? So you can see I'm having two different virtual machines, CentOS and Ubuntu. So let's open the PuTTY configuration and is asking for the IP address, right? So for that, I'll open the CentOS first. As you can see, this is my CentOS, right? And before starting, there's one important step, that is you need to go to the devices, search for the network and open the network setting, right? Now here you can see attached to NAT. What you need to do is that you need to change it to the bridged adapter. After that, click on OK, right? Done. Now simply just come to your terminal and here, after doing that process, you need to reboot, right? So let's write reboot here and press enter. So now your CentOS will reboot. Okay, let's press enter. It will take some time, don't worry. That's very common. Fine. And now you can see your username and here you enter the password, and after that uh, it will log in you into your CentOS, right? Fine. Now you are on your desktop. Now simply just open the terminal now. And after opening the terminal, what you need to do is you need to write here if config, right? If config, and after that you will see this response, and here you will find that IP address, right? That was required to connect. You can check here, inet 192.168.1.8. This is your IP address to connect with the CentOS, right? Simply now, after getting this, what you need to do is open your PuTTY configuration and mention this particular configuration there, 192.168.1.8, right? And after that, click on the open, give the access, so accept it. Now login as, simply mention your username, so that is Piyush, and after that give the password, so write the password here. So we have successfully got the access to it. As you can see, Piyush at the rate localhost is now present, right? So uh, now you can also change something, like you can change the appearance and setting of this also, like right click on it on the top, and then you can check the change setting option here. Simply click on the appearance and you will find the change button, right? Just click on the change button, and after that you can change the font, you can change the font style, right? All these things. As you can see, it is more visible now. Great. Now if I try to run any particular command, the same output I'm getting that I'll get on the CentOS. If I write pwd and press enter, you can see this is the response that I was getting on the CentOS. So this is a proof that we are now successfully connected through the terminal, right? You can check the same response I'm getting here also. So whatever the response that I'm getting on the CentOS, I can get that with the help of the PuTTY terminal. So I need not to come to this particular virtual machine and open it and run it. Means you need to open it before starting and connecting with it. But you can work with the PuTTY terminal for the CentOS, right? Now let's understand for the Ubuntu also how we can connect it. Simply come to the device, same process. Come to the network setting. Make sure that it is bridged up adapter, right? If it is N80, then change it. Fine. Now after that, open the terminal, and here you need to write IP addr. Make sure that in the CentOS we have written if config. Here it is IP addr, and this is your particular IP address, right? So let's do one thing. Let's just reopen the PuTTY terminal, right? And mention the IP address here, 192.168.1.9. Open, give the access, accept, and login as give your username, that is Piyush in my case, give the password, done, and now we are successfully connected, right? You can do the same thing here, like you can change the setting and set up the appearance also. Let's change it, make it bold. Great, it is done now. Now you are inside your Ubuntu terminal, right? So you can see Piyush at the rate Ubuntu. If I write any particular terminal command, it is giving the same response that I'll get on the Ubuntu, right? Ubuntu. So this is how we use the PuTTY terminal. This is how we access the Linux CentOS or access the Ubuntu using the PuTTY. I hope you got the concept. Uh, Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.